Hello, welcome back to my video tutorial. So ngayon nga naman ay aking ituturo sa inyo yung part 2 ng paggagawa ng frequency distribution table. So for this table or for this video, ang aking ituturo sa inyo is the cumulative frequency. So meron tayong dalawang klaseng cumulative frequency. So we have yung less than cumulative frequency, and then we have yung greater than cumulative frequency. So meron na tayong table, ang ating frequency distribution table, galing sa una nating video. So ito yung ating na-complete na frequency distribution table, and then we are going to continue yung ating table with the 2 or 4 remaining na columns. So meron tayong less than cumulative frequency and then greater than cumulative frequency. Para sa ating less than cumulative frequency, inyo lang tatandaan. So, ilan yung frequency na kung saan mas mababa doon sa inyong upper limit or kasama at kapilang doon sa inyong upper limit. So, another shortcut na itinuturo ko is kapag lower limit yung inyong lower limit, we have the less than cumulative frequency rather, isusulat nyo lang kaagad is yung total number ng kanyang frequency. So, diba sa ating unang video, tinotal natin siya. And yung ating total, ito yon, ang ating total frequency is 24. So, all we have to do is to write yung 24 dun sa ating less than cumulative frequency. So, we will write 24 here. And then, next thing to do is to subtract yung kanyang frequency. So, we have 24 minus 2, we will have 22. And then, 22 minus 4, we will have 18. 18 minus 3, we have 15. So, ganun lang at ganun yung ating gagawin for the cumulative frequency less than. So, next thing to do is 15, yung ating cumulative frequency less than 15 minus 2. Now, we will have 13. 13 minus 2, we will have 11. 11 minus 1, we have 10. 10 minus 2, we have 8. 8 minus 1, we have 7. And 7 minus 1 again is 6. And 6 minus 2, that is 4. And 4 minus 4 is 0. Yun. So, if you got 0, may malaking percentage at may possibility na tama kayo sa inyong nagawa. But I can assure na yung ginawa natin example today is correct. Okay? So, I will teach you naman yung ating greater than cumulative frequency. So, sa ating cumulative greater than frequency, kung kanina ang ating sinulat sa taas is yung total nito, yung nasa baba ng frequency. Okay, ito yon 24 and 24 nasa baba. Ang atin namang gagawin for the greater than cumulative frequency is that yung kanyang nasa pinakataas naman. So, 2 yung una nating isusulat sa ating cumulative frequency greater than. Sunod dito, yung 2 na to is ipa-plus natin sa sunod na frequency. So, that is 2 plus 4. We have 6. 6 plus 3, we have 9. 9 plus 2, we have 11. 11 plus 2, we have 13. 13 plus 1, we have 14. And 14 plus 2, we have 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 17 plus 1, we have 18. 18 plus 2, we have 20. And 20 plus 4, we have 24. So as you can see, 24 yung nakuha natin and ating total frequency is 24. That is why there is a high possibility na again tama yung inyong nakuha na cumulative frequency. So para ma-distinguish nyo ulit at mas madaling para sa inyo i-analyze kung ano yung less than cumulative frequency. For less than cumulative frequency, ang kukuhanin nyo is yung nasa bottom ng ito, 24. So yun yung kukuhanin ninyo. So 24 and 24. For the greater than, kukuhanin nyo naman is yung baliktaran. Yung 2 dito is kukuhanin nyo dito. So for the less than, yung nasa pinakababa. And for the greater than, yun namang nasa pinaka-itaas. And that yung less than cumulative frequency nyo should be equal to 0. And for your greater than cumulative frequency, it should be equal to the total number of frequency, which is 24. And 24 is equal to the 24th here. Okay, so that is the technique. And second to the last is yung ating percentage cumulative less than cumulative frequency. Okay, dito naman sa percentage less than cumulative frequency, what were you going to do is yung ating nakuhang less than cumulative frequency, which is 24, will be divided sa total number of frequency, which is 24. So ang formula dito is 24 divide 24 times 100%. Okay. So gagamit tayo ng calculator ngayon. So we have 24 divide 24 times 100. This is 100%. And for the 22 naman, we have 22 divide 24, less than cumulative frequency, divide or all over yung total number of frequency, which is equal to 24. So 22 divide 24 times 100, and that is equal to 91.67%. So yun lamang ang process na gagawin natin throughout this percentage less than cumulative frequency. So atin siyang isosolve again. So we have yung ating frequency, which is 18 divide 24 times 100, and this is equal to 75%. Okay. For 50 naman, we have 15 divide 24 times 100, and that is equal to 62.550%. Okay. So for the 13th naman, 13 divide 24 times 100, that is equal to 54.17%. Next is yung 11. So we have 11 divide 24 times 100, that is equal to 45.83%. Yung 10 naman. So we have 10 divide 24 times 100, that is equal to 41.67%. Next is yung 8. So we have 8 divide 24 times 100, we have 33.33%. For yung 7 naman natin, first we have 7 divide 24 times 100, that is equal to 29.17%. For our 6, we have 6 divide 24 times 100, we have 25%. And last, we have 4. 4 divide 24 times 100, that is equal to 16.67%. So, yun yung ating pagkuha ng percentage of less than cumulative frequency. So, how about naman sa ating greater than cumulative frequency? So, sa ating greater than cumulative frequency, same lamang yung process na gagawin natin. So, we will get yung ating cumulative frequency, then we will going to divide it by our total number of frequency, and then we multiply it by 100%. So, we have 2 divide yung ating total number of frequency, which is 24, times 100%. And that is equal to 2 divide 24 times 100, we have 8.33%. So, same process yung gagawin natin until makuha natin yung total number at lahat ng numbers na ating cumulative frequency. So, we have, for our 6, we have 6 divide 24 times 100, we have 25%. For the 9, we have 9 divide 24 times 100%, we have 37.50%. For our 11, we have 11 divide 24 times 100, we have 45.83%. Okay, sa 13 naman, we have 13 divide 24 times 100 is equal to 54.17%. And for our 14, we have 14 divide 24 times 100, that is equal to 58.33%. Sa 16 naman, we have 16 divide 24 times 100 is 66.67%. For our 17 naman, 17 divide total number of frequency, which is 24 times 100%, we have 70.84%. Okay, last 3. So we have 18 divide 24 times 100, that is 75%. And for our 20, we have 20 divide 24 times 100, that is 83.33%. And last is 24. So we have 24 divide 24 times 100, and that is equal to 100%. Okay. So that is how you compute for our cumulative frequency and our percentage cumulative frequency. Although mahaba naman siya, madali lang naman siya because of yung paulit-ulit nating solution, and then kaya lang siya humahaba is because of madami. Pero once na nagets nyo yung ating way and the process of computing it, alam ko magiging madali na yan para sa ating lahat. So, yun lang ang aking discussion for the cumulative frequency and for the completion of our frequency distribution table. I hope you've learned, and if you have questions, don't hesitate to ask, and you can PM me on my social media accounts. And that's it for our frequency distribution table. I hope you've learned and have a good day.